Hello everybody, I'm Rasha Bastravi and welcome to part 4 of this series.
One of the most common questions we always get is about washability and durability. As a result, we have an ongoing wash project with all of our transfer media that involves a control shirt that is unwashed, a light wash which is inside out with a delicate cycle in cold water and drip dried. This is a normal factory recommended wash settings. We also have a normal wash, which is a warm wash cycle, and a warm dry cycle, the most common method used by end purchasers, and a heavy wash, which is cotton, hot water wash, and fast spin cycle, followed with a hot full-term dry, the really worst case. Here are the initial results of including the Subli-Flex 202 in this wash series. One condition we observed with the Subli-Flex 202 was during the first normal or heavy wash cycle. If the shirts were left in the dryer and not immediately removed, we did notice some sticking of the design to each other. So if you are going to put this in the dryer, you should remove it immediately after the cycle ends, or better yet, use the recommended light wash setting for at least the first wash. We also noticed minor cracking on the heavy wash shirt. No cracking was found on the other groups. What this shows is that if you wash the shirt with the light or medium setting, they will last longer than the heavy.
Thank you for watching.